I'm back again with part 2, and I'm gonna continue on the floor. Sorry about the last video. I didn't know that Bandicam just killed film in 10 minutes. So if you can say in the comments how to film longer, please say it. And don't be mad at me. Please. I hate. I'm gonna cry. No, just kidding. Yeah, as I said, I'm gonna continue on the floor. Hopefully be done. Not making a 2-part of just making a floor. Not so much lag now. Yeah, and I'm also gonna make a series with the Hunger Games. And probably tutorials how to make that shit. Excuse my language. Blah blah blah. What was I gonna say? I forgot what I'm gonna say. Yeah. My second series will probably be Hunger Games, and but that is after I build this huge build. It's gonna be awesome. I don't have many vouchers because that was my first video, and yeah. I need a profile picture, not just a anonymous face, because it looks bad. There's a blue man sitting in a square. I need something good. All that good shit. So please leave a like, and I will make maybe one video every day, maybe not every single day, cause I have school, and I had birthday yesterday, and I got Black Ops 2. I will also make videos of that when I get the PVR, and then I can lay out some zombies and multiplayer. I'm better in Call of Duty than I'm in Minecraft. I'm actually not pretty good in Minecraft. Actually pretty good in Minecraft. I don't know what I want to call this series. Maybe Let's Build. Awesome building. Something like that. Do you like that? Huh? I'm not gonna only lay out Minecraft and Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I will also lay out Assassin's Creed 3. Maybe I will buy the new game Hitman. Just spelled it wrong. Now my sisters are coming up and they're fucking annoying. They asked me to talk in Norwegian, but I said no, cause yeah, it probably, I think someone is English that is watching this right now. Sorry for my spam clicking if you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that. Okay. And I also will live stream. Yeah, my sisters are talking in Norwegian. I told them to be quiet, but they don't want to hear or listen to me, because they are some small fuckers, some small bitches. Okay, I'm halfway done. Yeah, like a boss. Sorry, that was my sister. I just need to go and talk to her. I actually don't know what to make it. Just like this. Sorry about my sisters, but don't care about them. When I'm done with the floor, I will start on the walls. If you have any good ideas, please leave a comment. So maybe I can try build that on the wall. Maybe you can send a picture of a wall in Minecraft. So I can maybe try and make that. But it can't be too detailed, because I can't use a year on this series. I also have a friend that has YouTube, and that is Ubis. You should go and subscribe to him. It's pretty good. He's laying out Call of Duty and yeah, some other stuff. I think he's done with Amnesia and Slender. Yeah, I'm sure. Subscribe to him too. I won't be on YouTube for too long, because I want to get my life in YouTube. I actually want the life, not only YouTube. I'm a big fan of YouTube. Kepp. This just looks like his helmet. Have you ever seen Kepp? I've seen it one time. I don't like it pretty good. My Bandicam won't work any longer than 10 minutes, so 15 seconds left. "13 seconds left. Oh god. "20 seconds left. Oh my god, I don't believe." Yeah, so I guess this was the second part. I will be done with the floor in the next part. See you later, guys. See you later, shitlords.